Let us look at the example of template classes, as we have already seen template functions. Now already I have Already I have explained you template functions and we have seen the examples. Now let us look at a template class example. So already I have explained you a class for stack. So I'll write a complete class for stack and use it. So let us write class for stack. Now this class will have private members. Let us say integer. Let us say integer stk. This is a pointer I will take. This is an array. And then a top pointer. Now public members, I will write a constructor stack. Then this is stack. Let us take and also the size of the stack. So we should know the size of the stack, and this is a array. This is a pointer to an array for storing the elements, and this is a top pointer, and this is size of the stack. I'm not explaining what is the stack and how to implement. I assume that you already know it. Just I am writing the code. So we are learning actually how to write template classes. Now first of all, I will write a constructor for the stack which will take size, and then size assign sz, then top pointer assign -1, and stk we should create a array of type integer of size. That's it. Then I should have the functions like void push, which will take a integer value and insert the element. These functions I will implement them outside. Then int pop, which will return a value from the stack. Now these functions I will implement them outside using scope resolution operator. Void stack, then scope resolution push, which takes an element. Now simple code I will write down: if top is equals to size -1, then we'll give a message that cout stack is full. Else we will insert an element in stk of top ++, then stk of top assign x. This is push function. Now let us write pop function for our stack. Pop here I'll declare some temporary variable which is assigned with 0. फिर से बोलना है देखो. Here I declare a temporary variable which is assigned with value 0. Then here I will check the condition that if top is equals to -1, then we cannot delete an element. So I'll give a message that cout stack is empty. Now else I can delete an element, so x assign stk of top and also say top -, and here I will return x. That's it. So I have written push and pop function for a stack. I don't want to show you how the stack works, just I want to show how to create a template class, how to define a template class. So let us create a stack s of size 10. So I got a stack of size 10. Then I can say s dot push. I can insert any element. Then I can say s dot push. Then I can add more elements, s dot push 23, s dot push 33, and so on. And even I can pop the elements also. So this works perfectly. Just I will run and show you. There is no error, no problem in the program, and there is no output at all. Right? There is no output. So the program has executed and just given a program ended with execute 0. So program is working perfectly. This is without using template, and this tag is for which data type? It is only for integer type. It will not work for float type, so I have to write another class for stack for float type. Instead of that, now let us learn how to make this class as template. So here I have to write template class T. Then this array should be of type T, not integer type. Then size and top pointer will be same, and this size is same. Then here push function should take a parameter that is of type int, and pop function should also return a type T instead of int. So push is taking type T and pop is also returning type T, and here we are creating an array of size, so it is of type integer, and here we are creating an array of size type integer, so we should change it to T. So these are the required changes I have done. Now what about the push function which is implemented outside? So for that, see, the template that is written here, the effect of template has ended here. See, from here to here, this is a template. Now next function starts next. So for this also I should make it as a template class T. So whenever a new body start, I have to mention that it is template. Now this stack became template, and that is T. Then pop function also it's outside, so I should write template class T. And the return type of this pop function is T, and this variable that we have taken inside this one should also be of type T, because this is the variable that we are returning. So that's all. These are the necessary changes that we were supposed to do, and now my class is complete. Now one more thing that I missed here, that I have to write down whenever I say class name stack, then I should make it as template. I have changed that one. Now it is showing me here also inside the pop function I should make it as template. So wherever you use the class name, you must write a T. Now again here it is showing this one. So now I am creating an object, so I must mention data type. So this is stack, complete stack became a integer type stack. This template T is integer, so this array will be an integer. If I run, there is no error, program will run, and there is no output as we have not displayed anything. If I want, I can also make change to this data type and say it is float. Now I'll get a float type of stack. So for float also it's working perfectly. So these type of classes are very flexible for the programmers. He can write a class code and the logic, complete logic only once, and that logic will work for all data types. And these template classes are very famous in Java also, and .NET framework also. Even in C++ provides STL classes for vector and queue and set and priority queue, so on. So we will study about those classes. There's a template. So template is a very powerful feature for the collection framework. So you can write this program and test it by yourself.